as we're gearing up for a big late winter storm. Out ahead of it, though, pretty mild today, and that's certainly the case this morning. So if you don't have the day off for the holiday and have to head out, it doesn't feel bad at all in Salt Lake, where we're starting out at 39. There are still some very cold spots like Ely at 12, but in general, upper 20s to upper 30s across the majority of the viewing area, just above freezing in St. George, where it's currently 33. And we've got fair skies in the south, a lot of clouds moving in across the north, a little disturbance bringing a few snow showers from Salt Lake County north along the Wasatch Front. Some of those off along parts of Interstate 80 to the west of Salt Lake, but whatever we get should be pretty light. Really just a drop in the bucket as a little bit of moisture comes in from the north today. But our bigger storm will be dropping in from the northwest by tomorrow into Wednesday, and that's going to bring widespread precipitation across the state. In fact, even ahead of that tomorrow, Tuesday afternoon through Wednesday morning, very strong winds in southern Utah, which might be gusting between 55 to 65 miles per hour. Late tonight, snow begins in the northern mountains. The snow spreads south tomorrow, becomes widespread, and it'll be heaviest on Wednesday. And it really is expected to pile up. We could get 2 to 3 feet of snow in the northern mountains, possibly more than that in the Cottonwoods, about half that amount in the southern mountains, but still significant snow. We might get 6 to 12 inches of snow in the northern valleys, 4 to 8 inches in some of the central and southwest valleys, possibility of even an inch or two in lower Washington County. So be prepared for winter driving conditions during the middle of the week. But again, out ahead of it, pretty mild. We'll hit 44 in Salt Lake today, which puts us pretty close to normal for this time of year. Mid-30s in Park City, mid-40s in Richfield, low 60s in St. George. In general, cloudy in the north, mostly sunny across much of the south. Tomorrow, increasing clouds, the strong winds still pretty mild in St. George, but you'll drop about 20 degrees lower on Wednesday when you'll get a mix of rain and snow. Even in St. George, that changes over entirely to snow on Thursday with accumulations possible, and then you'll dry out heading into the weekend. Northern Utah, once the stormy weather starts, it's going to stick around a while. It'll be warm enough tomorrow that initially we'll get a mix of rain and snow, but by Tuesday night, that does change to snow, become heavy at times on Wednesday. Lighter showers expected on Thursday, just a slight chance on Friday, but behind the storm, it gets a lot colder as well. In fact, afternoon temperatures middle of the week might not even climb above freezing, and in the mornings, dropping all the way down into the upper teens. At least that's the forecast for Thursday morning.